Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Love and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take my 4C hair to silky straight, boo. Okay? Okay. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. So as you can see, I have my 4C, very kinky, very naughty, very nappy hair. And I am going to start off by spraying it with my Tresemme heat protectant. And I think I sprayed a little bit too much, but I wanted to make sure my hair was fully saturated. I already have a little bit of heat damage, so, you know, I wanted to make sure I was protected, okay? Just a quick disclaimer, I know I look very crusty in this video. My skin is so dry, I can feel it like just the scales. Like, it feels like a bunch of scales. Like, I literally jumped out the shower and put a shirt on, started recording because I have a small window to get this done because my hair dries so fast. So, yeah, excuse my crusty face. I'm sorry. But as you can see, I am just going through my hair, parting in sections, and then I am using my dimming brush to go through and detangle. And then I am going to use a slight tension method. I'm not doing it the whole time because I don't know what muscle it works, but my hand got so tired so fast. So I think I did away with the tension method after a while because this probably took me about 30 minutes total just to blow dry my hair. Y'all, the struggle. Like, the other side, I was just so done after the first side. I just wish my hair was more manageable. Oh my God. And I know somebody gonna come for me in the comments for saying that, but listen, I would give anything to be able to, you know, rinse my hair every day. Just get in the shower without a shower cap and just go. Like, but you know what? This is what the good Lord gave me, so gotta work with it. Now I'm just going through the back of my hair, well, all over my hair, just to make sure everything is nice and dry. You do not want to flat iron the wet hair at all. It's just, don't do it, okay? Now I am going to be using the chase method. I already started. I didn't know my camera wasn't recording, but anyway, I'm using the chase method. I am really into this show. What was it? I was watching Abducted in Plain Sight on Netflix, and girl, if you haven't seen that, go watch it. You're going to be so disgusted. Anyway, so now I am going to be going through with my Babyliss flat irons. These are the Prima, I don't know, titanium 1-inch flat irons. And oh my goodness, these flat irons save lives. I have never, ever been able to get my hair this straight and flowy on my own at home. I don't know what I've been doing in the past. I honestly think it was the flat irons. If you don't have good flat irons and your hair is as thick and kinky as mine, it just doesn't work. And my ends would always be frizzy. My roots would never be straight. And you know what? I got these flat irons and it changed the game, honey. So yeah, if you can, these flat irons were about $90 at Sally's. I actually got them a little before Christmas when they had their buy one get one free on hair tools. Yes, girl, buy one get one free. And then I got like a $70 interchangeable curl wand with different sizes and different shapes and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm just going through section by section doing the whatchamacallit method. And it was so hard to do this on my own. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I had to look in a different mirror. I was trying to use my I was using my monitor as my viewfinder, and yeah, it wasn't working, so I had to keep turning around, but it got the job done nonetheless. Now, I have never had super thick hair, well, as far as volume. Like, it gets kinky and thick that way, but when I straighten it, it's on the thinner side. It always has been. But lately, I think postpartum shedding is doing one on me, because my hair falls out so much every time I wash my hair and try to do things at home. It just clumps and clumps of hair comes out of my head. So I definitely think it's postpartum shedding. So if it looks a little thin, that's what it is. All right. So everything is flowing nicely. Now I'm going to go through and I am going to dust my ends a little bit, just because they were a little straggly, just a little bit. So my hair is layered. I personally don't know how to layer my own hair, so I just, went with the flow, cut what I thought was necessary. And yeah, don't come for me for my technique. I'm not a pro, all right? Now that is all done, and now I am going to go through and add some curls. I'm just taking really big sections and going through with my flat irons to curl. And the really good thing about these flat irons is the back of them gets hot too, like a curler. So it was just the best investment I have ever made towards my hair. Now I'm just putting on the finishing touches. I am so happy with how this came out. Don't mind my edges. I am about to go to bed, so I'm not gonna put any edge control on my BDBs. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. It's so flowy, it's so soft. Like I said, I've never been able to achieve these results at home prior to getting this flat iron. So there you have it, people. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Until next time, peace out.